Project 7 of Exam 2, Computer Health. You are a technician at a store that sells and repairs computers. The owner has asked you to prepare a presentation about home computer maintenance. Task 1. Add alt text that reads "Sick Computer" to the graphic on slide 2. I'm going to navigate to slide 2 and click on my graphic. Go up to my Format Contextual tab, and in my accessibility group I'm going to select the alt text command. Opens up my pane on my right side, and I'm going to enter "Sick Computer" into the text box, and I can then close out the alt text pane. I'm going to mark as completed and move to task 2. On the last slide, which is slide number 7, link the text computerstore.geometrics.com to www.computerstore.geometrics.com. So I'm going to click into my text box, and I want to highlight computerstore.geometrics.com, then go up to my Insert tab and select my link command. I'm going to link to an existing file or web page, and then in my address I'm going to type all of this in. You can copy and paste it if you want. I'm going to go ahead and type it: http://www.computerstore.geometrics.com and click OK. Mark completed. Move to task 3. On the last slide, insert a text box in the lower right corner of the slide. Resize the width of the text box to 2.5 inches and insert the text "Questions? Feel free to contact us." I'm going to go up to my Insert tab, and in my text group, select Text Box. You can see I get my drawing cursor. I'm going to click and drag to draw my text box. I'm going to insert my text "Questions" with a question mark and space "Feel free to contact us," period. And then up on my Format Contextual tab, I want to make the width of this 2.5 inches. Mark as completed and move to task 4. Change the layout of slide 3 to 2 contents. I'm going to select slide 3, go up to my Home tab, Layout drop down, and select 2 content. And then it says to apply an intense effect blue-gray accent 1 style to the shape. Now you can see with this border here, it looks like the shape is selected, but that's actually the new content placeholder that was inserted when we changed the layout of this. So you may have to move this a little bit. You can see as I move it over, you can see those icons behind it. Just move it out of the way a little bit so you're able to actually select the heart shape. Then you're going to go up to your Format Contextual tab and expand the gallery of your shape styles, and we want Intense Effect Blue-Gray Accent 1. So that's in the last row of the theme styles, the second option. Click to apply, mark as completed, and move to our final task. Apply a blue solid fill background to slide 2. Select slide 2. I'm going to go up to my Design tab, and in my Customize group, select Format Background. This opens up my Format Background pane to the right of my slides, and you want to make sure that the fill section is expanded. We're going to choose a solid fill, and we need to make sure that this color is set to blue. So you can expand your colors and go down to your standard colors and make sure that blue is selected. Then you can close out the format background window, mark as completed, and we can grade our final project. Have have my 5 green checks. Everything is completed. You're going to be brought to your summary window. Make sure that everything's answered and make sure you submit your test by clicking on Finish Test. And it will go ahead and grade the whole entire practice exam for you.